Jamal family, I want to give you a quick update. First of all, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who reached out to support the initiative here to restore hope to Beast and Spring. Persons on GoFundMe, person who reached out to me directly, I want to say a huge thank you. It has made a difference. We have brought hope to the people. The work continues though, because as you can see from behind me, I'm up in the hills, we're getting some food, but they need now a shelter. So we're looking at plywood and zinc sheets. Continue to share the GoFundMe link, continue to reach out to me so we can make a difference, continue to work. Please share this video as well, so if there's anyone out there who is willing, they're able to make a connection. Thanks again so much. My friends from St. Mary, the person who reached out to me, and all of you guys, thank you so much. One love.